Alright, hello guys. This I'll be showing you a live trade example because the trade is building up right away. Like I've explained in the previous video, I say my favorite strategy is for me trading a continuation trade. I will always prefer to take a continuation trade in order to avoid manipulation of the market. And I say the way I will factor myself into this trade is for me to allow manipulations to end. What is manipulation? All of this zone, you see price keep coming down. So I won't be struggling to catch this move that went to the upside. So what I'll be focusing on, I will allow the price to show me its movement first. Remember, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, and this is a lower low. So price has already break this level. We already have a break of structure, which means that we are now moving in the direction of an uptrend. Now I want to factor myself into this particular trade. How do I do that? I've already established to us that one of the way to do this, which is one of my favorite strategy, is to look for a chart pattern. And I said in an up movement, I'll be looking for a bullish flag pattern. And here is a typical bullish flag pattern. You can see that is the flag pattern formed right on my chart. Now that I've spotted this flag pattern, you can see that price has break out of the chart and has closed. Follow me carefully. The other day someone asked me I should make a live video, and that is why I have to do this at this moment. So this is my trade. This is on a 1 hour time frame. Now you will be wondering, if I were here earlier, not necessarily if I were here, I am supposed to make this entry from this zone. And I know why I am supposed to make this entry. Because understanding this particular chart pattern, which is this flag pattern, anytime it is forming, when a bullish flag pattern is forming, you will notice that price will begin to give you a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. So when these particular candles rejections were formed here, I already knew that this is going to be a buy trend. That is if I am the one trading. I have taken trade on this already and I have closed the trade. But for the purpose of clarity, and as a beginner, I won't advise you to do this. I will want you to follow the valid pattern, which is what is playing out live and which is the trade you just see me execute now is a live trade scenario. So now price is at this zone. When price break out of the flag itself, there are two ways to make this entry. If you want to be aggressive, immediately price break out of the flag, you make your entry, which is what I just made now. That is being an aggressive trader. The second way to do it is for you to wait for a retest. Price can go up, come back here, retest it before it will now continue to the upside. That is another way of doing it, of making entry. So this entry that I've made, remember, I will now show you how I use my commodity channel index to validate this particular entry. Looking at my commodity channel leader, since I did not make the entry from the zone of 20 and 10, I will now wait for my CCI line to cross above 50 before I will make my entry. So you can see now that my CCI has crossed above 50 and I have made my entry. So in the comment section, I respond the person. I say you don't consider CCI before the price action on the chart. CCI is nothing but an additional confirmation tool. The most important key factor that triggers your entry is price action based on the chart you are watching, not the indicator, not the price action. Indicator only showcase what price does. That is just the simple logic about it. So if this is going to be a retest, it means that the indicator will come, retest this zone again, and then continue the same way price will do this, and then we're on our way to do. And if this is not going to retest, it will continue to the upside. So this is how to find the entry. I'm going to pause this recording and I will continue in order to update you how the price is moving. And if you are coming across this video for the first time, welcome to Royal Forex Academy, where I share with you trading tips, educational informative tips that can help you turn around and improve on your trading of the financial market. I'm urging you to like this video. Please share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video. So, and if you are coming across for the first time, let me show you the indicator setting on my chart. This is just the indicator relative strength index. Here is the background color of my chart. So if your chart is black, change that color to black. Here is the level, and then you can take a screenshot and set up your chart in that pattern. Here is my commodity channel index. The period is 14. This is just all about it. Every other thing that follow is a typical price action. If you look at 4 hour, you can see this is the chart forming. Price has moved reasonably. You can see when I connect this to this, it's looking like a flag, a real flag, the flag that you know whenever flag is hung on its stand. And then look at what is happening. CCI come here, you can see now, and then close above this level. So we are pushing to the upside. Alright guys, I'll give you updates as we progress. Thank you. So guys, you can see how this is playing out now. So this is exactly how you can do this. It has break. Until we talk about the retest, you see that pin bar closes from retesting it and it pushing to the upside. So you can always take advantage of this in order to improve on your trading career. This approach is very much simple and it is beginners friendly, just as you are seeing right in this video. This is a live trade situation, and follow these steps and you will replicate the same result. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video.